Hi, this is Roy from Roberts Watches, bringing you our new assembled in Ohio 14 karat gold, 2 karat total weight Moissanite earrings in a 14 karat gold Martini setting. They also come with screw backs in 14 karat gold. Each stone comes with a GRA Moissanite certification. They're IJ in color, VVS1 in clarity. They're available right now. You can place an order just by contacting us either through the link or through our Etsy store. The details will be in the description at the bottom. And they're $350. If you have any questions or comments, just please leave them at the bottom of the video. Thanks. Have a great day.